But I was arrested.
Hey, I happen now.
I do.
What did happen?
I don't know. If I say they come out too.
I want to go buy sugar and granite. I want to soak it.
You want to soak it? Wait. See, they don't inform me just now. Game I play yesterday. Did he pay? Millions. Did he pay? So I just want that money to go buy granite. Just give me. Mo go, mo claim my finish.
Wait. I never shop this money.
I know now. No be you. Now money matter. Now we dey talk so. Money matter. Now we dey talk so.
You go bring plenty money.
I say they say I win million. You dey say plenty money. You don't know million.
You say they wise.
I never shop this money.
Don't worry now. If this I won't play you, are you? Move to go.
I sit down for first to wait for you.
No, move go. Move to go.
I'm not a like stress myself.
I know. No, wait till maybe this means go. Not go be say I won't carry your money run.
I'm not a feel like that.
Okay, let me want go.
Okay. I never share this money.
You don't know why it's going on.
Alaye, Afana. Alaye.
The money.
You don't win. 5 million. Alaye, where the money? They give me paper.
But you don't get I say it's the cost. You don't get I say I don't lose this amount of money. You know there, you know they see what it is. So you don't watch this match, you know they see say I mark this up.
Will you keep quiet?
You supposed to join the AY for stage they do joke. Eh?
Now give me my paper, they tell you better thing. You know how much I don't lose on here? You know how much I don't lose?
You know?
Get right here, man.
I go.